I'm Katherine Pill, Curator of Contemporary Art at the Museum of Fine Arts. I love participating in Wild Creations art and empowerment workshops. It's an opportunity for us to discuss and learn about some of the amazing women artists that are in the MFA collection. And this summer, we're going to be working with Geo Swaby. She's a Bahamian artist who lives in Toronto. She's multidisciplinary, working primarily in fabric and thread, and she creates what she calls love letters to Black women. She's going to be the subject of her first solo museum exhibition, Fresh Up, which is going to open at the Museum of Fine Arts on May 28th. And then it's going to tour to the Art Institute of Chicago, who we're co-organizing with, and then off to the Peabody Essex Museum in Salem, Massachusetts. Participants are going to have the opportunity to learn more about Gio's really complex process in creating these portraits. They're also going to be hearing from Gio herself. Now, Gio's work is really grounded in love, in family, in friendships. And Gio's goal is to create nuanced representations of the Black female figures that have been so formative to her life and to her work. So we can't wait for Fresh Up to open, and we're looking forward to these workshops.